About 600 BC, Lehi's sons marry the daughters of Ishmael. As they continue their journey to the promised land, God provides a miraculous compass, but it only works through faith and obedience. Based on actual events as recorded in the Book of Mormon, another testament of Jesus Christ.
Ishmael, we're filled with gratitude for your faith, for joining us on this difficult journey. Your faith is a great gift. My sons, and now daughters, we have fulfilled all the commandments of the Lord which have been given unto us. We have been blessed of the Lord exceedingly. Please, eat.
If only each day were as joyful as this.
The voice of the Lord spake unto me by night. He commanded me to take our journey into the wilderness.
Father, in which direction will we go?
The Lord has provided means for us to follow his path. Behold the two spindles. The one points the way whither we should go. The path is clear. Let us depart. Cross the River Laman. We will travel in the south-southeast direction.
Stay on the path. The Lord will provide.
Be prayerful. Be safe.
Oh, beautiful.
Let us depart.
Do not worry. We will find food.
How? Your bows having lost their springs.
Layman! I tell you again, we will find food.
You broke it! You fool! Why did you draw so hard?
What is the matter with you? Now what will we do? Father, because of our brother's strength and God's curse upon us, we are without food.
How?
Where shall we go for food now, great leader?
We have been prayerful. Obedient, we have done all we have been commanded to do. What more could we have done? Why? Why has the Lord chosen now to abandon us?
Lord will provide.
The Lord will provide! The Lord has led us out here to perish. We don't need the Lord. We need food!
Do not revile against the Lord. He has delivered us thus far. He will do so again. You have hardened your hearts again, even unto complaining against the Lord. The Lord will provide.
No. Father's correct. The Lord has abandoned us.
What is that fool doing? Father? Whither shall I go to obtain food?
Oh, my son. Thank you for your faith. Wait here. Oh, Lord. Please, forgive me. The Lord told me to look upon the ball and behold the things which are written.
How is this possible?
What is it?
There are new writings. The pointers which are in the ball. They work according to the faith and diligence and heed which we give unto them.
O Lord, we give thee thanks. May we remember that with great faith and diligence, and through small means, thou canst bring about great things.